Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block unknown numbers on your Motorola Moto G72. For that, you want to click on your little phone icon here and then click here on these three little dots and go to settings. And then you see here block numbers, and when you click on it, you have right on the top the option to block calls from unidentified callers. It's off right now. If you click on it, it turns blue. It's enabled now, and now unidentified callers, unknown numbers, they cannot reach you anymore. If you ever want to turn it off again, you just go back and click on it again. Then it turns gray, meaning that it's turned off. Quick and easy, that's how you block numbers on your Motorola Moto G72. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.